Ugh. Man, this is a terrible driving position. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm Boosted John and today the Civic is going to be getting an upgrade that it's been needing for a very long time. Now I know I told you guys there was a 3-part series coming for the Civic. I was wrong. It's actually a 5-part series, which is super exciting because I get to make so much more fun content with this car, and I really like making fun content with this car. So anyway, video number 1 in the series is going to be the Civic getting a new seat. Now I'm very tall. I'm about 6'2", 6'3", and the stock Civic seats are very uncomfortable. If I drive this car for longer than 30 minutes, my lower back starts to hurt a lot. So I went out and ordered an NRG Prisma large seat. I know, everyone talks crap about NRG. This is not sponsored by any means. And I have no brand bias or preference towards NRG. I just found a good deal on a seat. I like red, so I pulled the trigger. Ooh, look at that glitter in the sun. All right guys, so here's the seat. I'm a really big fan of the styling. This is made of microfiber, not like suede or Alcantara. It's made of microfiber. And that way, hopefully it'll last a little bit longer and not get so like deformed and disgusting. And like I said, it is a large seat. It should fit me pretty well. And the last thing that I'm really excited about with the seat is that it has little pockets right here for your cell phone. That's huge, really like that. Lastly, before we get started on the install, I did have to pick up a Sparco seat bracket. This will bolt to the factory Civic mounting points, and then the seat will bolt to this. This is also really nice. It does have a spot for your seatbelt buckle, which is huge because I am gonna be running stock seatbelts for now. Part number for this will be in the description down below. Anyway, let's get right to it. Also, please subscribe. I'm begging you. I really want to hit 100,000 subs by the end of 2021. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you. All right, let's do it. I feel like there's a cable under here somewhere or something. Ah, there totally is. For the seatbelt buckle or something. Let's put this in first, or to you got to remember the order in which these shims are on these seatbelt buckles. Can I get it out? Oh, nice. And that includes this one. You gotta remember this, it's important. I need a nut for this, don't I? I don't have one. Oh, that's mint. That's literally perfect. That's something. All right, she's in. That's it. All done. Ho-ho! Did I do this backwards? No, okay, okay. Wallet in the spot. Yep. Phone out, ready to go. All right, not too difficult to climb in. Phone goes here. Oh, dude. Let's see how the seatbelt functions. Dude, mint. This is mint, dude. This is so good. I do still sit a little higher than I'd like to, but I could take out the seat cushions. Let me just see what that feels like. Now I feel a little close, but I sit a lot lower. I wonder if I just run the thigh support without the butt one. Let's see about that. Oh, damn. I feel I feel good like this. So I think if I'm trying to be a little bit more aggressive, I would remove just the butt pad and I'd leave the thigh support in. And I feel real good right here. My eyes are maybe, let's see. My eyes are maybe this much above the steering wheel, which is such a nice aggressive driving position. I really like that. Heel towing. Ooh, I don't know if I can heel toe like this, maybe. Either way, let's take this baby for a drive and see how it feels. Hang on a second, before we take this thing for a drive, I completely forgot to do this, but I gotta do it for you. All right, everybody, we are ripping in the new NRG seats. I gotta say, this seat is so much more comfortable than my stock seat. I gotta adjust the positioning a little bit, I think. I feel like I'm a little bit too far forward for my liking. But once I adjust the positioning, man, this is so much better. The seat is much larger, even though it's like got aggressive bolstering, right? It's still like such a larger seat that the bolstering is not uncomfortable on the road. The backrest is nice and tall. I don't feel crunched in any way whatsoever. I don't feel like I have to slouch to feel comfortable in the seat. This is like 10 out of 10, so much better than the stock seat. I just pulled out of my neighborhood, so I haven't done any like side to side stuff, but I am curious to see what it's gonna feel like when I go like yeet yeet. Let's do a little yeet yeet. Oh dude, I'm so connected. Oh, it's so nice. Oh yeah, I'm planted, boys. This has seriously got to be one of my favorite mods yet. Like, obviously this car is like built and everything, but this is like a 10 out of 10 mod, boys. Well guys, I'm back home with the car, and I gotta say, I just took it on like maybe an hour drive. I gotta burn through all the old gas from last season. But anyway, that hour drive was the best hour drive I've had in this Civic in a very long time. This seat is so comfortable for me. It's nice and rigid. In the stock seat, anytime I would engage the clutch, the whole seat would kind of flex. This makes engaging the clutch so much easier, which is kind of weird that a seat would affect your clutch engagement. Also, obviously cornering, like I didn't take any hard turns really, but anytime I did take like a kind of hard right-hand turn, it was very nice. It held me in place. And honestly, I love the red. I think the red looks so good. I love the Prisma logo. I think it's so cool. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do like this seat a lot. A link to it will be in the description down below. Again, not sponsored. I just like it and I want to share it with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm trying to get 100,000 subs by the end of 2021, so please click that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Like the video if you like the video. And as I always say, boys, let's plan, commit, execute, and attain our goals. Bye.